Alright, now this is Always Say Gecko. Here it goes.
Uno, dos, tres, catch a second, see, you know you want me, you know you want me. So I just got my Sunday groove on, you know. Okay.
Go. We're filming.
I'm trying to think. This is how I think.
Come on.
This is how,
I will always.
what time was it? This is so weird.
I will always say Gecko.
No, what is this?
Come on, your thinking pose isn't working.
What time is it? No, wait, hey, what the heck? Oh, God. I think I'm gonna have to get a new video and see what the story